Hey guys, Patrick at Fuji Mats here. We're installing a gym here in Wisconsin today. We've got a Fuji Mat spring floor, mats, wall pads. What we're doing here real quick is fur strip. So installing on a block or a brick wall, you can screw and glue to the block. It reduces the number of screws you have to put in and allows it to go a lot faster. So here we've got the wall pad in place, the spring floor, the mats are gonna go on top of that. And our trim kit sits right on top of our wall pads, ties into our fur strip on the back. We've got a really complete system here, A to Z. Check it out.